Hi everyone, welcome to Lucid Dream Mastery. In this video, you are going to learn an effective lucid dreaming technique to try tonight. Lucid dreaming is the ability to become aware that you're dreaming while still being asleep. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for exploring your subconscious mind and experiencing things you couldn't in your waking life. In this video, we'll be discussing some scientifically proven techniques for inducing lucid dreams that you can try tonight. Step 1. Reality testing. According to the research of sleep and dream expert Dr. Stephen LaBerge, one of the most effective techniques for inducing lucid dreams is reality testing. This involves regularly checking throughout the day to see if you're dreaming by performing a simple task, such as reading a text and then reading it again. If the text changes, it's likely that you're in a dream. Step 2. Intention. Setting an intention to become lucid before falling asleep is another effective technique. Simply tell yourself before going to sleep that you will become aware in your dreams. This helps train your mind to recognize when you're dreaming. When you combine this practice with reality testing, you drastically increase your chances of becoming lucid in your next dream. When performing reality testing, we actually use the mild technique that is based on perspective memory. That is why I strongly recommend to double this effort with the intention technique right before sleep. Step 3. Lucid Dream Mask. It is an optional step. Take control of your dreams with the power of intention and reality testing. Lucid dream induction devices, like the intriguing lucid dream masks, can lend a helping hand if you're having difficulties with your intention practices. These innovative devices use captivating light or soothing sound cues to alert you that you're in a dream, enhancing the chances of becoming fully conscious and aware. However, the true key to unlocking the world of lucid dreaming lies in your ability to master reality testing. This powerful technique remains the foundation of your practice, helping you recognize the dream state and become lucid with ease. So why wait? Unleash the full potential of your mind, and start your journey to vivid, lucid dreams today. Finally, practicing mindfulness and staying present in the moment can increase the frequency of lucid dreams. This is because being aware and present in the moment can help train your mind to become more self-aware in your dreams. So there you have it, some effective techniques for inducing lucid dreams that you can try tonight. Remember that the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the experience. As Dr. LaBerge says, lucid dreaming is a wonderful opportunity to learn more about yourself and the world around you. Thank you for watching. Your support is greatly appreciated. Show your gratitude with a like and stay tuned for more with a subscribe. Looking forward to connecting with you. Thanks for watching and happy dreaming.